Discover Eatwith, unique dining experiences around the world. Links are below. Whether you crave a home-cooked meal, a cooking class, or a food tour, Eatwith connects travelers with local hosts in over 130 countries. Go beyond typical tourist traps and dine with locals in their homes or join interactive cooking workshops. Explore chef-led dinners, market tours, and themed tastings, connecting with local culture and cuisine. Using Eatwith is simple. Enter your destination, dates, and food preferences. Browse listings with detailed descriptions, reviews, pricing, and host information. Booking is seamless, and you'll receive the exact address and details upon confirmation. Perfect for solo travelers, couples, groups, and food enthusiasts, Eatwith offers immersive dining experiences. Connect with like-minded people and explore new flavors, often prepared by professional chefs or passionate home cooks. Availability and price vary by location, so check listings carefully. Advance booking is recommended for these private or small group experiences. Eatwith, experience your destination through food in a personal, social setting. Connect with locals, try new flavors, and enjoy a unique dining experience. Check it out, links are in the description.